Yo, what's up guys? Today we are on some Bee Swarm Simulator, and they have actually added one of the egg events on this game for the Egg Hunt 2019. And I am going to be getting it actually. I actually haven't even like I don't know how to get it, but it did say it to do the quest. Once you join in, you want to go talk to this egg, and it says that like each bear basically has a quest for you. And as soon as I came here, I did notice there was an egg right here, and in order to get this, it's actually on the other side of here. So in order to get that, you want to go down here, this little area behind the club thing. Just go up here and just grab it. Here it is. I already grabbed it, and that is where I am at now. Then I did talk to the black bear. It sounds like you need a quest from each bear, but these quests seem insanely easy, especially because I am really good at these games. So let's finish these out. Get pollen from here. Get pollen from here. And pollen from here. There we go. We got black bears. I see they finally added the festive bee up there. Alright. So now we got a marshmallow bee. But these aren't like actual bees, it seems like. Like you can't put them on your hive. Let's see if they're in my inventory. Oh, they're just abilities. That's pretty cool. Alright. Now let's go find another bear. Let's just do mother bear. Egg hunt holds a special place in my heart. 3 sunflower seed, 3 blueberry, 3 strawberry. Alright. This one is pretty easy. I could probably just use a magic bean if I wanted to. But yeah, let's just collect them like this. Won't take too long. I would like a third one, please. It's like kind of hard to tell just because I have so many ability tokens. It's hard to see when I actually get a sunflower seed token. Let's actually go talk to a different bear right now, because maybe we can get these as kind of like a side quest. But I am going to collect my daily thing just so I can get the speed. Alright, brown bear. Alright, so this one basically just says get the 3 plastic eggs, which we did get 1 already, which I'm not sure where they're at. Let's look behind here. I bet there's one back here. No, there's a free ant pass. Nope, not there. Let's go talk to another bear. Let's go to the polar bear. $10,000 goo, 5 tokens from sparkles. Alright, that one is not that hard too. And let's get the science bear. $8,000 from pineapple, 4,000. Alright. Alright, these ones are also really easy. Got the pollen here. Let's go to the spider field. Kill the spider. Go to the clover field, and we'll activate a honey storm, just so we can get the honey tokens. Let's grab these. Let's grab a few speed tokens, just so we're faster. But I do think that it is pretty unique that we can get eggs in like different games. I do think that that's really cool, because that has never been done on a egg hunting game throughout the years. Oh, okay, so we got the honey ability, which is from my mask, which there we got the goo from that. Now we just need to wait till nighttime, or if we find sparkles in any of the fields, which I probably, oh, I forgot about the ninja bear. 25 tokens from rhino beetles, okay. Alright, so we got Science Fair's quest. Let's go up there. Alright, what are these? Jelly beans. It's been a while since I have played this game. What are jelly beans? Buff granting beans and nearby flowers. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so what are our leftover quests now? Rhino beetles, tokens from sparkles, and the plastic eggs. Let's kill the rhino beetle and the blue flower, and the clover. Oh yeah, I also gotta talk to this because I got the marshmallow bees, okay. Oh, okay, so we didn't even need those quests. Flight of the bumblebee egg. So, what is that? Oh, that's like an actual... Let me look on my profile. Avatar. Okay. So we got it. Let's see what it looks like. What does it look like with the head on? Oh, that looks kind of dumb with the big head on. Oh my gosh. That looks kind of funny. Let's reset just to see what it looks like. Oh, forgot about the masks. It is kind of smaller than I thought. You can still see it here. Oh, while we actually, I'm gonna take it back off, but let's get the tokens from Sparkles. And let's also get this. Where are my bees? Here they are. Alright. Man, we got some good loot out of here. Alright, so we finished Mother Bear's quest. I'm gonna still try to finish these, too. But just keep in mind, you only need 3 marshmallow bees, which the Science Bears quest does give you 3. Where are these bees at? Okay, they're over here. Hey, bud, don't mind me. Let me just steal some of these. Alright. Almost got them. I hope we could actually get them all in time before it does end. There's a ticket up there generated. Oh, we could also talk to Stick Bug. Whoa, okay. Alright, we need 2 more tokens. Alright, we got that. Nice. Let's kill some more rhino beetles. Let's actually talk to the stick bug, see what he has to say. Oh! So what is it? Oh, 50 million white pollen. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm not gonna finish that one this video. Let's actually go see if Onet has a quest. In the level 30 zone. He does not. And I also need the 2 plastic eggs, which I'm not sure where they are. Alright, let's go finish Mother Bear and Polar Bear's quest. Marshmallow bee. Alright. And Polar Bear. Stick bug is planted a sprout? I did not know he could do that. Alright. What are forks? Oh no, these are these. Okay. We got 5, that's cool. Rhino beetles. We can finish that now. I'm not gonna finish the other 2 quests in the video because they will take a lot longer. But we can finish these ones. It's 10 stingers, nice. Alright, let's do like one quick swoop around the map. Oh, did we finish? Oh, seems like the bees have a quest too. Okay. Let's see what they have. Oh my gosh. Alright, might as well collect the red ones. Alright. Wow, okay, these ones are going to take a lot longer, and I'm not going to do them on video. But I hope you guys did enjoy on how to get the egg on Bee Swarm Simulator. I may make some more videos about, more videos just on how to get some of the eggs. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much everything. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Check out my Discord link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. Check them out. They're amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have made it this far, comment egg just like that. And I will heart your comment within like the first 24 hours. And yeah, guys, that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.